Hi, Edie Beans with Little House of Beans. Super excited to be cooking today with you. I am making a deconstructed chicken pot pie. Now, although it's not your traditional chicken pot pie, I am super excited to cook with you. I know Stu has not had a pot pie since he was this small, since these Swansons TV dinners were available. If you could please do us a favor, hit that like button. It's the best way to support our little channel and help us grow. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you'd like to be notified of new videos when they come out, please hit that notification button. With that, let's make chicken pot pie. Some oil, diced yellow onions, sprinkle of flour, chicken stock or broth. So I'm bringing the chicken broth to a simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce is slightly thickened, and then I will add the rest of the ingredients. So I turned off the heat and adding some heavy cream, some de-thawed peas, and next is the chicken. So while my Omnia Oven is preheating, I'm going to cut these buttermilk flaky layer biscuits. Oh boy, here we go. Now we're going to take one of these and carefully cut it in half, or as best as you can. Now let's scoop this deliciousness into the silicone pan. Now that my Omnia Oven is preheated, remember to only fill this up 3/4 of a way. So I just beat an egg for an egg wash on top of our biscuits, and we just arrange them. This is going to be so good. Roughly about 25 minutes at 350.